Hi, this is page 8 of the Music Theory Computer. Build the following major scales using accidentals on the stave below. Note that both treble and bass clefs have been used. Add degree numbers below each note and mark the semitones. Okay, now first one, bass clef. So there's F. Now, depending on how you work it out, if nothing else, you can go backwards in the alphabet to go down. So F, E, D, C, B, A. There's A. Or you could know good birds don't fly away for the lines and all cows eat grass. So either way, there's our A. Okay, second step is add notes by step until you get to the top note, or count 8, either way. So let's count this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay, now, another way I'm going to tell you to find the scale out is you use your expression, Father Christmas got Dad an electric blanket, or whatever one you use for the order of sharps, and you know that the second last note in a sharp scale is always the last sharp. So Father Christmas gave, so you've got an F sharp, and a C sharp. Or, because you can do it nice and easily, you go to your music theory computer and you look for A. There it is there. 3 sharps, F, C, and G. So you go along here. Do we have it? F is there, C is there, and G is there. I'm just going to be careful about this one because it looks a little bit like, now it's just a mess. But anyway, there we go. No better. If I had an eraser, I'd do it, but I think the whole thing, I'd have to redo the whole thing. Anyway, there we go. Add scale degrees numbers and mark semitones with slur. 1. Now start to do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And tone, tone, semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. Don't know why it suddenly does that. Anyway, E flat major. Now, do I have E flat major on my computer? No, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, E flat major, 3 flats, B, E, A. Blanket exploded and Dad got cold feet. Now, another way of doing it, and when you get to the point where you can't use the computer anymore, you need to learn it, and that is the tonic is the second to last flat. So there's, and you always know flat keys because it starts with a flat note, except for F, you just have to know that. Okay, so that's the blanket exploded and, so D flat, E flat, A flat, but first thing, scales by steps, so E flat, then an F note, a B note, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B, I was going in bass clef, C, D, and E. Now, what have I done wrong already? It's not an E. I know it's an E flat, so just put it in right from the start. That way you won't forget. And then B flat, E flat, and A flat. So there's a B flat. We've got the E flat, and we need an A flat. Okay, and mark tones. The steps. Come on, computer. 7, 8. And mark semitones. Tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. There we go. Moving right along. Study the melodies below to determine which major scale was used for each composition. Well, first thing to do is look at the flats. It looks like there's B flat and E flat. Nothing else, so I'd say that's, remember the second to last flat, or you could go to your computer and check which one has 2 flats. There it is there, B flat major. Once you get used to it, you know the 2 flats, the second last flat, in this case is B flat, is the scale. So B flat. Scale, 1 sharp there, 1 sharp there, no other sharps, so 2 sharps. Last sharp, fat cat there, a semitone above that last sharp is a tonic, so it's D. Or go to your music theory computer, check out 2 sharps, 0, 1, 2, there it is there, and it's D major. Okay, and then rewrite the melody below, completing bars 3 and 4 using the crosshead note rhythm indicated with notes from the D major scale. So we need to rewrite this. I'm actually not going to do it, you just make sure it's exactly the same, make sure the notes in the same spot there, but I'm going to complete this. So it's D major, da da da, da 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 da. I'm going to go there because it's a step back away, and then go down to there, and then I'm going to go, so I want to end up on D here. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll start on the A, G, F, E. I didn't leave myself much room, did I? And then dum, 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 dum. There we go, that should sound fine. If I had an instrument, I'd play it for you, but anyway. Okay, so you do something like that, and that's it for page 8. See you in page 9.